you finding handstand push-ups difficult? If you can already do knee push-ups, standard push-ups, and pike push-ups, then believe me, you can do handstand push-ups too. You might think I'm out of my mind, but follow the pattern I've created and you'll thank me later. Each move trains your body for the next. You don't need to be an athlete, you just need which steps to take and in what order. Let's begin. Step 1. The knee push-ups. Knee push-ups are the basic push-ups, easy to do, and I am pretty sure you have already tried it. Simple and easy to do. Structure is like this. You bend your knees and moving your chest to the ground surface. Let me show you the correct form. Place your hands on the floor, shoulder width apart. Rest your knees on the ground and cross your ankles. Keep your body straight from shoulders to knees. Don't let your hips sag. Slowly bring your chest close to the floor. Press through your hands to return to the starting position. That's 1 rep. Your goal is to perform 10 clean reps. No speedy reps. Need pure and calm reps where it hits every inch of your body. Now you are ready for the next step. Step 2. The negative push-ups. A negative push-up is similar to a standard push-up with the exception that it is performed more slowly and with a greater level of control. By slowing down the push-up in negative phase, you hold your body weight for longer, putting greater tension on your core, triceps, and lower back. Let's do it with right form. Start okay all your fours with your hands slightly wider than your shoulder, knees under hips, and toes in contact with the floor. Grip the ground and rotate your shoulders outward to engage your lats. Straighten your legs to lift your knees, coming into a plank position with your legs hip width apart. Engage your core. Tuck your pelvis slightly, squeeze your glutes and quads, and keep your chin tucked as if holding an egg under it. From this position, slowly lower your chest towards your hands. Keep your elbows at a 45-degree angle and your wrist directly under your elbows. Take at least 5 seconds to reach the bottom, controlling the movement the entire way. Once your chest touches the ground, place your knees down and push back to the top position. Straighten your legs and begin the next rep with the same control and form. Don't let your hips sag or pike up in the air. Your goal is 10 regular push-ups. Go ahead and see what you are at. If you got your 10 push-ups, that's perfect. Now you are ready for the next step. Step unit 3, the pike liftoffs. This is the step where your body is going to defy gravity. How? You start in your pike position, but now shift your weight forward onto your hands until your feet lift off. Hold for a few moments and then slowly lower down your legs. This measures your endurance. It creates hip compression. The stronger your compression, the easier it is to get up and balance. Your goal is 6 clean pike liftoffs. Don't worry if you can only get your toes off at first. That still counts. Step 4. The bend arm, stand hold. Once you have got 6 solid liftoffs, you are ready for the bend arm handstand hold. Get into a handstand position and slowly bend your arms at 90 degrees. Keep your heads a few inches above from the ground. Hold that bent arm position for a few seconds. Push back to straight arms with control. If your head feels dizzy, do this with the support of wall, but try to do it freestanding. Don't skip this step. It will master your balance in the handstand push-ups. Hold up to 6 seconds. Now we are getting close to the real thing. Step 5. The elevated pike push-ups. Back to pike push-ups, but this time it's tougher one than others. You are going steep. Walk your feet as close to your hands as you can. The steeper the angle, it mimics handstand push-ups. Lower down press with maximum power. Your goal is 8 pike push-up presses. Hit 8 clean ones. Step 6. The negative handstand push-ups. So I think you are tired now, but here's the twist. This is the final step. Kick up into a handstand. Keep your hands shoulder width apart and core tight. Keep your body straight. Bend your elbows slowly and lower your head toward the floor. When your head is just above or lightly touches the floor, pause for a second. Once your head touches the ground, drop your legs down. That's 1 rep. The key is forming an angle with your body as you're lower down. That shows real control. Your goal is 8 controlled negatives. This is it, the final step before you proceed to your targeted move. Now, you are fully prepared for handstand push-ups. You have got for you were struggling. Let's do the handstand push-ups. Kick up into handstand just like you did for negative. Lower down by bending your arms until your head touches the ground. Don't drop your legs as you have done in negative. Press it back up into starting position. That's 1 full handstand push-up. If you want to make it easier while you are learning, you can use a wall for support. But the real process is freestanding handstand push-ups. That first rep is just your starting. Now you can do multiple reps. If you have mastered the previous steps, this should feel challenging but achievable. Each and every step you have done making you strong enough for the next step. Just follow the same pattern and you will get handstand push-ups. So where are you right now?